Hey guys, this is part 2 of making random cat breeds in WCUE. I put random cat breeds on a digital wheel, then spun it. Whichever breed I got, I make it into a WCUE morph. Time to spin. Japanese bobtail, yay! Japanese bobtails are cute. Here's a Japanese bobtail in WCUE form. These cats are so adorable. Time to spin the cat breed wheel again. Okay, a Persian, I'm good with that. Let's turn this cat into a WCUE morph. Here it is. The eyes look kind of blue on camera, but they're gray. Tell me what you think. Now to spin the wheel for the last time. American curl. I can finally use my curled ears on a morph. Alright, here's an American curl. Now in WCUE form. Tell me which one was your favorite. Bye.